Hello guys, my name is Ritik Maheshwari and in this video we are going to learn about Pandas. So Pandas is a software library developed for the Python programming language and it is basically used for data manipulation and analysis. So we can use this library to analyze the data either in the Excel format or in the CSV format or in the JSON format or any or of the other format too. So it is one of the most useful library, and if you are looking for going into the field of machine learning or data science, then it will be the most useful library for you. Let's look into the real life example why we need to use pandas. So here I have downloaded the Stack Overflow survey data of 2019 and I opened it in an Excel format. But if I want to analyze this data in Excel, it becomes too difficult for me, because if data goes beyond some limit, it will become very difficult in Excel to analyze it. Suppose I want to know the average salary of a developer in 2019, or in which language they prefer to code, and so on. But as this data also contains some kind of the missing values or the null values, etc., so it becomes very difficult for me to analyze it in Excel. So in this type of problem we prefer to use pandas over it. Now let's look into the installation of the pandas in your computer system. So before installing pandas, you need to install the Python in your system. If you don't have the Python in your system, you just need to go to the website python.org and download it from here. You will get pip package along with the Python. So I have a Python in my system, so I don't need to reinstall it. Now I want to install my computer, so I just need to pass a command pip install pandas, and depending upon your internet speed it will take some time. Okay, so that's done. Now I want a Jupyter notebook or any other IDE in my system to work over a pandas, but what I prefer is to work over the Jupyter notebook, because I can directly access it from my web browser. So to install the Jupyter notebook in your system, you just need to pass a command pip install Jupyter Lab, and it may take some while. To demonstrate the working of the pandas, I downloaded a Stack Overflow annual survey data of 2019 from this site. I'll also provide a link of this site in my description too. And I have downloaded this zip file and pasted it in one of my folder under G drive. And now let's extract it and see what this zip file contains. So basically this zip file contained two CSV file along with the one PDF and one readme file. Now what does this CSV file means and what data it contains, we will look into this in our next video, and we will also demonstrate the working of the pandas and talk about the most important data types of the pandas, which are data frames and series, in our next video. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.